876 Street.
Big up 876 Street. I'm going to tell you, it's a very good day. Escort has achieved 11.5 on the quarter mile. I tell you, say, yo, don't know how to tell you how I feel right now. But remember the car, see if you hit this.